As parents, we all want what's best for our babies. We spend countless hours searching online and reading books, trying to find the best ways to help our babies grow and develop. But did you know that one of the simplest things you can do to support your baby as development is to simply read to them? Yes, even now. Reading aloud, even to a newborn, helps them hear new words, tones, and rhythms. So today, let's talk about why reading aloud is so beneficial for babies and children, how to make the most out of story time with your little ones, and some recommendations on which books are best for different age groups. Why is reading aloud to babies important? Babies' brains are constantly developing, and one of the best ways to support that development is by exposing them to language as early as possible. When you read aloud, you're helping your baby develop their listening skills, their vocabulary, and their understanding of the world around them. Plus, it's just a great way to bond with your baby and create lasting memories. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of reading aloud. First off, it helps develop listening skills. Babies are naturally curious about the world around them, and reading aloud can help satisfy that curiosity. When you read to your baby, they're able to listen and process the sounds of language without distractions. This helps them develop their listening skills and prepares them for when they start to speak themselves. Next, reading aloud helps expand vocabulary. Babies learn new words every day, and reading aloud can help them learn even faster. When you read to your baby, they're exposed to a wide range of words and phrases that they may not have heard before. This helps them expand their vocabulary and develop a love of language. Reading aloud also helps develop language skills. Language skills go beyond just knowing a lot of words. It also involves understanding how words are used in sentences and how to communicate effectively. When you read aloud, you're helping your baby develop these skills by exposing them to different sentence structures and ways of using language. It also helps develop cognitive skills. Reading aloud can help stimulate your baby's imagination and creativity. When you read a story to your baby, they're able to explore new worlds and characters that they may not have encountered before. This can help them develop their cognitive skills and prepare them for academic success later on. And lastly, reading aloud helps develop bonding skills. Reading aloud is a great way to bond with your baby and create lasting memories. When you sit down and read to your baby, you're giving them your full attention and creating a special moment, just the two of you. This can help strengthen your bond and create a love of reading that will last a lifetime. Now that we've talked about all the benefits of reading aloud, let's discuss how to make the most out of story time with your little ones. First off, make it a habit. It's important to make reading a part of your daily routine. Set aside a specific time each day to read to your baby, whether it's first thing in the morning or before bed. This will help your baby get into a good rhythm and look forward to story time. Next, make it interactive. Reading should be an interactive experience. Ask your baby questions about the story, make funny voices for the characters, and encourage them to participate. This will help keep your baby engaged and make the story more memorable. And don't forget to use props. Props are a great way to make reading more fun and engaging for your baby. Use puppets, stuffed animals, or other toys to bring the story to life. This will help your baby stay focused and interested in the story. Make it a cozy time. Make sure to create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere for your story time. Snuggle up with your baby on the couch or in bed, and use a soft blanket or pillow to make it extra comfy. This will help your baby relax and enjoy the story. And lastly, don't pressure your baby. If your baby gets bored or starts crying, don't force them to sit through the story. Take a break and come back to it later. Reading should be a positive experience for both you and your baby, so make sure to keep it fun and lighthearted. Now let's talk about some book recommendations for different age groups. For newborns to 3 months, look for books with high contrast images, simple patterns, and textures. Some good options include Black and White or Spot. Dear Zoo, and The Very Hungry Caterpillar. These books are great for newborns because they help stimulate their developing visual systems and they also soft and easy to handle. For babies aged 4 to 7 months, look for books with bright colors, funny faces, and interactive elements like with the flaps and peek-throughs. Some good options include Pat the Bunny, Brown Bear, What Do You See? Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and Goodnight Moon. These books are great for this age group because they help develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. For babies aged 8 to 12 months, look for books with simple stories, repetitive text, and lots of pictures. Some good options include The Cat in the Hat, Where's the Ball Dog? Swimmy, and The Very Busy Spider. These books are great for this age group because they help develop language skills and introduce them to different concepts like colors, shapes, and numbers. For toddlers, look for books with engaging stories, colorful illustrations, and simple text. Some good options include Corduroy, Click Clack Moo, Cows, that type, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, and The Giving Tree. These books are great for toddlers because they help develop imagination and introduce them to different themes and characters. So there you have it, folks. Reading aloud is a great way to bond with your baby, support their development, and create lasting memories. So make it a habit to snuggle up and read to your little one every day. Don't forget to make it interactive, use props, and make it a cozy time. And remember to choose age-appropriate books that are engaging and fun. If you found this advice helpful, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you and your baby's development every step of the way. Thanks for watching and happy reading.